Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Hello everyone, good morning. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live on a Wednesday. Ready to look at the market, ready to make some money, familia. How's everybody doing today? All right, just give me a second, because I'm always in the middle of something lately. What's up, Josh? What's up, Tony? All right, let's get going, familia. But before doing that, and I forget, let me quickly, because I am modifying a few things here. Okay. It was a pretty crazy night last night. As I'm making more modification to our bot. As I'm making a lot more modification to our bot here. Last night I got some people that got it going, and it looks like because the broker that they're using, they have different configurations, and that's why I need to do a session in the afternoon about it. So don't worry about it, family. Just don't run it, because I got some people that said they lost 21 bucks, 60 bucks, things like that across the night. But it was a pretty crazy night because it was consolidating quite a lot. To me, the account, it went from 100 bucks. It's sitting, I don't even know. Let me just take a quick look right now. 152 bucks, $152. And it has been doing pretty good so far. So, and let me see if I can show you guys here. I made new additions to it. It's basically all of this stuff. So you guys see here, it's sitting $152. And yesterday I lowered it down to 100 bucks again to try it with a different setting. But I made a better adjustments now to it, especially for consolidating markets. That hopefully should be much better. Alright, so beside that, let's start looking at the market and preparing ourselves for today. It's a Wednesday, so I'm not expecting to see much going on, especially what you guys see here. It's really not a lot in terms of news events. But let's read what happened on the market last night. On NASDAQ. On the session indicator, I'm turning on average. You guys see, this is New York yesterday. It did exactly what we mentioned, but now it's heading back into this area. And this is the beauty of what the market is doing. When you look at the bigger picture here, and you realize, okay, well, was doing a correction after this huge drop, right? Now he's doing, look what it looked like, a zigzag, but it is in an area of a reversal. We can take our fib tool, take it from the top all the way to the bottom, and see where we at. Oh, wait a minute. Right there. Alright, let me turn off some of this stuff, because I know my screen sometimes gets too much. And I want to turn this off. So you see that the price is right now hitting at what is called the optimal trading point for ICT traders, sitting at the 750. You might see reactions to this. The area that I like always is being my golden zone, which is here. There's a nice fair value gap here that potentially the market can react to it. But it is sitting again on a second time that it's sitting here. Nice rejection, an area for a nice rejection. So we might see the price probably falling down from here already. But let's see the reaction of it. We don't know. I like to see a better reaction here. But anything can happen. The price could potentially even go higher. So when it comes to liquidity, I'm going to turn on the sessions indicator. And I'm going to go back and I'm looking at the market in a half-hour time frame. When it comes to liquidity, you see what Asia did completely recover, and London did a full continuation. All of this is liquidity that has been built all across Asia, all across London. All right, London did a little bit of manipulation in this session, but nothing much. It's been going up non-stop like a machine. Now, there's some news going on around the tariffs and Trump from yesterday, which is good for Asia, for China. But we need to see how the market is going to react to it, because there's a lot of liquidity sitting here that has been taken out at all. Already reaching out at highest point, second mitigation to this area. We can see the price having a reaction to the downside, clearing all this stuff before doing any continuation, probably even going back to the previous day closing price. If not, if the sentiment is still high, because yesterday I noticed something. When all this stuff with the tariffs was happening, Chinese investors kicked in. And how do I know who they are? I've been trading NASDAQ for a long time. And there's a very specific behavior. If you look at the time frame, a much lower time frame, and it's when the prices start pumping up like a straight line. All these candles, if you look at it, if you even put an EMA on it right below it, you're gonna see the price reacting. It's straight, like non-stop. It's a very known behavior of NAS when investors from the other side have been waiting for something and they actually are doing some damage. And I saw that yesterday. And as a matter of fact, it was in this area. And where is it here? This area here. This entire area yesterday. So when it was their time, they started doing the same thing all the way up. But again, a lot of liquidity is here, sitting here. Let's see what the investors from New York are going to be doing in Bell Open in the next 60 minutes. But my bias, if it keeps pushing up, because it could, it's totally fine. But my bias will be to target this area here, at least the previous day closing price. At least the previous day closing price, at least, to clear all this stuff. Or take liquidity around this area, pushing the price down. But we need to see the behavior. Let's see if it's going to break this zone, potentially going to the golden zone on the very top. Like here. And put RX here. Boom, boom. At least to this area because of this nice imbalance that we had on the top. So what I'm expecting to see today, a lot of choppy market, a big choppy market today. So just focus on these areas that I mentioned. Again, the same thing happened yesterday. I told you the areas, it went straight to it. I'm giving you the areas for today as well, but I don't know if it's gonna be 1, 2, or 1, 2. One or the other is gonna be, okay? Just let's see the market structure. What's gonna happen in the next 15 minutes, and we'll go from there. Okay, that is for NAS. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna keep the sessions indicator open because liquidity sitting here needs to take out London low, or even go to the main Asia. This point here, it should go there. There's lots of liquidity sitting here. Even if you read these candles, the way it was behaving on trailing stop, all of this, there's a channel here. A clear channel. You guys see it there now, right? That's what they have been trading all night. Tons of liquidity. And imagine you bought here. What do? Moving your trading stuff here, moving your trading stuff here, moving your trading stuff here, moving your trading stuff here. So this is the latest point of trading stuff right there. And the market is just flowing. Okay? So traders need to be taken out. Traders need to be taken out. Okay, familia? Okay. Let's see what is this market going to do. Okay. All right. Just looking at the bot here is the optimization that I did last night and this morning is pretty good. I was just seeing something here, but everything good, familia. Everything good. Let's get something going here. Let me load my broker here. Boy, oh boy, it's been a rough night. I haven't hit the hay yet. Just coding and looking at the market. Let me open my broker. Just need to be really careful with this market today. Matter of fact, let me open something Alright, just a second. Loading things up. Nice reaction to it. I'm gonna keep it there. I keep the channel like that, and I am going to. Should I fill this up or not? Just that the indicators. My screen is so overloaded with so many things, and sometimes I just don't like that. Just for the visuals, but I really don't need to have so much loading. Let's see, trading sessions. Let me see if I do this. I'm gonna. Change something on it. many lines in my eyes. It bothers my eyes when I see a graph like that. But for the people that are learning, it's really cool to see it, because that way they know exactly where liquidity is sitting, unless you guys are okay with it. I mean, you can take it off. Just so much important information for you to see in the market. But the less the better. I want to turn it off completely. It's just bugging me so much. I think these ones here are okay. Yeah. We're on the top of the channel. Remember, if you're trading against the market, try to do a step lot, okay? A step lot. Body's doing a very extensive analysis of the market with this new update. I will give you guys other files in the. Anyways, we're gonna do a session in the afternoon about that, okay? And I will help you guys to set it up. I created a document explaining what's everything too. So hopefully that will help you to understand better. Let's see, familia. Market is opening in 7 minutes. You just gotta be careful. All right. Hello, Sophie. Hello, Wayana. Hello, Lisa. Hello, everyone. Now, I know my health is important, but I get very anxious, and I got things in my hand. I can't just go to sleep. I have to get it going. I have to get it out of my head so I can fall asleep. While I'm a little bit crazy. What I do need is coffee. Well, let's see. I mean, the body's doing what it's supposed to do, and it's just there. What's up, Rena? Let's see, familia. Let's wait. You guys have clear visualization of what's happening. Just remember to hit the like button, familia, please. Appreciate that. Market is coming down. Looks like it's gonna come for a liquidity grab, and it's totally fine. It's totally fine, familia. It's totally fine. I give you guys the areas where liquidity is sitting right now. I have no idea what they're gonna do first. If it's the top or the bottom, it could go both ways. But he's technically speaking, he's respecting the point, the 70-50. I'm gonna keep it there, that green line. But we are in a bullish market right now. What are the New York guys are gonna do? Let's see. Market open is gonna do quite a lot of crazy things, but let's see if we're gonna do a continuation of the movement for the price, or if they're gonna just grab liquidity at sessions bottom or top. Probably that's what they're gonna target first. Probably gonna target the bottom part here, going to the bottom. My bias when the market opened, it's going to be bearish. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a sell on the market now. I'm gonna sell the market right now. The bot is buying. The bot is buying at a very wide SL. I'm letting the bot do what it's supposed to do. I'm not touching it. Even though the bot is saying that there's a mixed signals going up and down everywhere. It's a weak trend, very weak trend. Let's see, going up. 1 minute for the market to open. One minute for the market to open. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. 30 seconds for the market to open. Where is it gonna go first? Up or down? My guess, down first. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go on that sell. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. As I said, I was selling the market. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It is going down. It's gonna be seeking for liquidity, familia, but it's sitting on that channel edge. So is it gonna break it? Probably. All right. So it looks like the target first is in a little bit of an expansion. But it is going to seek for liquidity at the bottom. The spread is so wide, not even a joke. Remember, liquidity is sitting at the bottom. As I said, it's going to target, it's going to come to the bottom. went to a liquidity pool here at the bottom. It's gonna clear everything out. It's gonna clear everything out. Let's see if buyers are there or not. I'm still in that sell, familia. Sell in the market. Trailing stop activated for me. Let's see. They're gonna hold it, or is it gonna crash? Buyers are not kicking in. You know what's gonna happen. Sellers will. Let's see. I gave it the points, familia. Market already breaking the channel there. And buyers don't want to kick in. Why? Because they dominated Asia all the way, in London all the way. So they're letting New York's investors take the lead selling the market. Come on, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Going up or going down? All right. Liquidity sitting at the bottom for me. This market is gonna collapse and go all the way there. I'm in a sell, still on a sell. Trailing stop is activated on me, but it's still on that sell, familia. It's still on that sell. Still selling the market. Still selling the market. I'm giving you the targets. What are you gonna do, my friend? Are you gonna go up, or are you gonna go down? Are you going up, or are you gonna go down? Scooby-Dooby, where are you? Trying to go up, but it's failing to go up. This is what I'm trying to look at. Those Asian guys from yesterday, if they kick in again today, it's gonna be pretty crazy. It's gonna start moving up slowly and going through areas, and you think it's gonna collapse, and it's not. It's just going to go up slowly, and that's the thing I need to make sure we don't fall into, because that movement completely destroy your accounts. You go, familia. It's coming to our target here. I'm still on that sell, okay? Anybody selling with me? Come on. Are you serious, my friends? You guys are not selling with me. I don't even have strength to celebrate. But we're making money here. We're making money. Coming to us slowly. It's coming to us slowly. Remember, it's a choppy market. Just don't be so overconfident, because it's gonna go everywhere to that. All right. Still selling the market, familia. Still selling the market. I'm waiting. It's trading stop activated for me. I'm waiting for the market to kick me out. Probably will at this point. grab liquidity there. And what I mentioned, familia, where trailing stop is sitting. You're trading all these areas, and every one of these levels there's trailing stop. So you see, this is the latest one here. So it looks like they're taking out whoever was trailing stop this entire session here, and doing a nice retracement. Is that going to be enough for the market to go up or down? If liquidity was taken out there, it will most likely push to the upside. But if it doesn't, then it's going to go to the next level, which is lower here, much lower. Let's see. If buyers are not kicking in, sellers will, and it will come down hard as you can imagine. All right. Oh boy. Yeah, keep selling, familia. Keep selling. The market, I'm telling you, it's probably gonna go all the way to the either close to the VWAP or the bottom part here. Just gotta sell the market. Gotta sell the market. Gotta sell the market. I'm giving you, my friend. We're making money. Money. Let's go. Very choppy market, as I said, and it's putting me on the edge all the time. Wow, took me out. It took me out. That push there took me out completely of the trading stuff. Took me out. Took me out. That was a nice retracement there. Is it gonna be enough for the market to continue pushing up or not? If that's enough, if the liquidity was taken out here completely, as I said, this might be it and continue to push to the upside. Remember, this is a fight about liquidity, and liquidity was this is the first level. If it was taken out there, that it could go to the upside. Oh, I see a bunch of blue jays in my front yard. What? Blue jays in my porch? Huh, nice. Is that a good sign? I hope they win tomorrow. I got like 4 blue jays sitting in my front right now. It's pretty cool. All right. And it is now dancing in the wind. Tony, you lost power. Where are you? Are you in Dominican? That's a very normal thing in Dominican to lose power. Alright, so there you go. That's a nice, beautiful drop. Dropping in like it's hot. Again, it's gonna be a choppy market, so don't think it's gonna go like in one shot to where what we're saying. It's gonna be going in and out. It took me out on that big jump, and I didn't go in it again, so I gotta wait for an opportunity. Coming to our target. I'm just reading everything. Oof, wow. It's gonna go slowly to our target. Slowly, slowly. Do that slowly, my friends, slowly. Alright, oh boy, just gotta wait, gotta wait again. Pushing the market up, very, very high. But I want to sell again. It came right to the daily VWAP. Is that gonna be enough? Is the question. that going to be enough? Looks like it is probably enough, but we will see. I'm gonna sell again. I'm gonna sell again. Just in case. But they could be a little bit dangerous too. They could, because they understand that liquidity. So as the market keeps pushing down, this is because sellers are doing the same thing, and liquidity is being built as well. So they could now go and wipe out liquidity, push the market up even higher. Ooh, what is this? That's what I'm a little bit concerned. If those guys decide to do that, then things can go to the other way, to the other place. The bot is actually doing the opposite. The bot is saying to buy the market, but at the bottom point, he went and did a entry at a fair value gap that detected at the bottom. Let's see if it's gonna come to that entry from the bot. It looks like they are done. Just reading volume, and they could probably be done and continue pushing to the upside. That is so cool. Yep. It is doing that, I'll tell you that much. I guess buyers are not gonna kick in. Buyers are, looks like they're gonna kick in. Slowly. That's the thing that I was talking about earlier, and I need to watch out for that, because when those guys, they make fake movement, like the market is gonna go in one direction and they don't. That's what I'm observing very closely to see if they are kicking in that way. The same thing as yesterday. Because they will engage you in really bad trades, really bad trades. Sellers are not doing anything right now. Yep. There you go. There you go. are kicking in. I'm getting out of this trade soon. That is interesting what they're doing. Very interesting. Yeah, they're gonna be killing everyone, grabbing liquidity, pushing the market down later, not now. They're probably gonna keep pushing the market higher right now. The body's saying to buy. Not coming down. Back into the channel, a little bit of manipulation there. Oh, look at that. It's respecting the point, the highest point of that channel, but I think it's gonna go higher now. It needs to do another higher high. There you go. Slowly moving. It's slow. It's not a quick move. It's a very slow move. Oh boy, crazy. Let's wait. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. Up. I don't understand what it's doing now. What is it doing now? Created the highest point, but it's not falling. There you go. Manipulation in the morning. Now going to the edge where it's supposed to go. Doing the same thing as yesterday, I'm telling you. These guys are kicking it again. I'm seeing the pattern. It's like it's straight. If you look at the 20-second time frame, you guys can see it there. And that's on Traderly. It is a pattern that it just goes straight, non-stop, like a machine. And you think it's coming down, and it's not. It goes like that for hours and hours and hours and hours. And it engaged a lot of people in really bad trades. Really bad trades. can see that movement happening right now. The body's not doing anything right now. Just have one buy at the bottom, but it's saying that the trend is strong to the upside. Oh man. What is everything else doing here? Let's see. It is a green market. Very good. Nvidia, Apple, everything is turning green. Everything is turning green, familia. Green like the Hulk. It's another green day. Doing the same thing as yesterday, as last night. Again, we got that with Asia, we got that with London. They're gonna just keep grinding to the upside. Quite interesting the way it's moving right now. It is the same exact replica from yesterday. The exact same thing. Body's just saying to buy. I am not doing that right now. It is too mature to buy here. And the bot saw it. And it's coming slowly up. Slowly up. You know what really kills me about this move is that at any time one candle can wipe out this whole thing, entire thing. That's when the market is doing that stuff. I hate it. I like to stay out. Better to stay out. Wow. It's going up like a bullet right now. Wow, it's very green right now. It's super green. Remember the target formula? I put it here, right on the screen. Didn't come here first. It's gonna go probably here first. But already grabbed the liquidity that he needed to take out of the daily view up, and that is the push. And here will be the perfect target. And again, it's the same replica as yesterday. You guys see those guys pushing in one direction. Nice market for those who love to follow the trend. All right. It's going there, it's going up, it's going up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Another green day, my friends. Another green day. Isn't there like a rock band with that name? Green Day. Green Day. So it went right into the previous day highest price. Sorry, looking at my screen here. You see this yellow line? It is a 78%, right to it. Let's see if it's gonna find rejection on there or not. I don't think it will do that. I think it's going to continue pushing higher to the 88. Taking advantage of that little pullback there, I'm gonna buy. Let's see. right on the fair value gap. Right on that fair value gap. Let's see. Entire market is green, familia. Right now is green. Buyers are buying. How far are they gonna go? Only God knows. Okay. Might be it. If it breaks that fair value gap, I'm out. Taking a stop loss there. Buyers don't want to continue. That's what it looks like. The same way that it went up, now it might come down. Oh boy. It's a beautiful day. Fake. What happened to volume? I just don't like this volume. Not like this. Check, senor. Check it all the time. Still on that buy, but doesn't seem like it. I think it's gonna continue to the 88%, just slowly. Still on that buy. After that nice rejection of fair value gap. There you go. There you go. Looks like it did a negative wave 2 there. If that's the case, there's gonna be a drastic drop. Ooh. NASDAQ. Let's go. Are they gonna invalidate this signal? The market turned out to be pretty nasty right now. Let's see. Buyers don't kick in, sellers will. Keep saying. Riding that wave. Riding that wave. Huh. Interesting. Gonna be doing that all day, guaranteed. Anyways, familia, I'm gonna take a little break here because the market is really not doing much. I don't want to waste a lot of time doing this. So I'm gonna come back to the VIP in the afternoon. We're gonna go through some of the bot settings and take some trades as well. Okay, familia? I will see you again tomorrow. Peace. Take care, familia.